everyone, it's Tina and welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited today to talk about Stampin' Up! Card kits. And I have one in front of me today featuring the Loveliest Wishes Card Kit, which is brand new in April with Stampin' Up! And it's fantastic. The kits come in a box just like this with all the contents you need, including die cuts, envelopes, all your adhesive, your block, if there's blocks, your ink pad, if you need that, everything that you need to make the cards is included. But what I like to do is make one card just like they show us on the instruction sheet that I have right here. And then I like to change it up a little bit and do something different. So today's video is going to focus on this first card right here. It's the Cheers card, and it is a white on white card, and it's so beautiful. Let me show you. This is what it looks like if you make it exactly like they show you in the instructions. It's beautiful and I love it. But I thought it would be fun to look at the colors in it and change it up. So here on the instruction sheet, when you look on the back, they tell you what colors are included in the kit. So I went ahead and grabbed the Petal Pink cardstock, and I'm folding it just to make a side fold card. And I thought it looked beautiful with the color that's in the background of those little images. And so what I have now is the pieces that came with the kit. I went ahead and added dimensionals to them. The dimensionals come right in the kit, so I didn't even have to get out any extra supplies other than this piece of Petal Pink cardstock. So I've gone ahead and started adding all of the dimensionals to this piece that's going to go as the background on the card. And I was looking at the die cut, and I loved the gold foil that they used, not only in the die cut but also in the sentiment. And I thought, okay, let's pull in some gold. Let me grab some of scraps of my gold foil cardstock, and I added a strip of the tear and tape right to the edge so that it would be ready to work with. So I've added that tear and tape, and I'm going to go ahead and take it off both pieces. And then I'm quickly just going to add it to the outside edge of the provided card piece. So that white piece came right in the kit. The only thing I've changed is not using the white card base that came with it, but instead using Petal Pink cardstock. And then I decided to add the gold to take it up just a notch. So I've taken off the dimensionals, and now I am putting this on the front of the card, and I've elevated it so much without really doing that much to it. Now I'm taking the dimensionals off of each of those die cuts that come in the kit, and I'm getting them set on the card. And before I add the third one, I'm going to go ahead and lay the flower down so I get my placement just right of that third piece. Now the kit comes with these glue dots on a sheet, so I'm adding 2 to the back of the die cut. Just, it makes it so simple. Like I said, the adhesive is all included, so pull off that backing, and there it goes. I added that die cut right to the card, and voila, it's elevated and raised just a little bit. But then I thought, hey, let's add some pearls. And guess what, you guys? These are the brand new 2025-2026 in colors. So they just came out this month for those of us that are demonstrators. And there's a new in color called Timid Tiger. And I thought it looked so good with the Petal Pink cardstock, so I decided to add it. Now I'm putting 2 cards side by side to show you, because you get to make 3 in a kit. But on the card I just laid down, I glued the background pieces directly to the card, and I did not pop them up. And on the card I made you, I did pop them up. So that's just to show you a little difference. So here they are, the kit card just as it is, and the card I made by adding just a few embellishments to it. So I hope you enjoyed this. Come back. I have 4 more videos showing you how I transformed the Loveliest Wishes Card Kit into something just a little bit different. All right. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.